You ready to see me fight victim again? Well, we're doing this. One. Actually, I'm not gonna say it. That'd be copyright. Hang on. Gonna add a little music to make it fun. Oh, but to make sure he doesn't mess anything up, I gotta protect my timelines. It is a skewed priority. It's a little too much. Can I do this meme? Yeah. Oh, why is it not gonna get very old? Look at this guy. Wailing like a baby. He's like, get off me! Get off my face! Doctor! For a character that's meant to be sympathized for being tortured, the way I torture him is nonsensical and way too silly compared to how toxic Alan's torture was and bloody. Oh, I love it. I love it. It makes me laugh and it makes me happy. Also, I think Victim has the buggiest AI ever. I mean, dude's just literally running at my face, not doing anything other than trying to shoot me. Like, what's wrong with his AI? It's extremely broken. The rope, nope, I'm not gonna get whipped. I'm not gonna get whipped. Don't you dare. That's racist. Worth noting that if you try to restart again, you'd expect to do restart by changing the game difficulty, but no, you have to fight him again in the easy or hard difficulty. So don't bother trying to restart. It's not worth it. Really not worth it. Ow. Ow. At least this guy's AI is much more manageable and competent, not as much as Beast or the Chosen One. Oh my! I almost ran straight to death. Hey, come on, what are you waiting for? Taunting him because of how broken Killer's AI is. We're not Killer. His name will always be Victim because it's just the name to set up a difficulty. The secret strategy did not get him hit. Look at this guy. He doesn't know I'm under the studio. Ow. Okay, I deserve that for being a dirty cheater, but do I look like I care? Oh, Jesus. But that cursor's hurt. At least he doesn't do it more often. That'd be scary. I would have added music, but it wouldn't fit with Alan's movies. It's okay, man. I'll do it for you. Because I'm a music swapper like Koopa Eliminator. Except my musics are more cooler and awesome. And sometimes more comical to fit the nature of these games. No, don't slap me. Don't slap me. That's rude. That is incredibly rude. You know, for someone who's meant to be so tragic and to have a reason for vengeance, this guy has zero tolerance with trying to hurt those who wronged him, even if they redeemed themselves. Like, seriously? Like, disproportionate retribution much? I mean, I understand that you're mad because the new life you were meant to have after escaping has been ruined by the Chosen One and the animator, Ellen for short. But, jeez, what's wrong with you? You're clearly mentally disturbed. Like, you do not have to be this serious just because your wife is dead. But, seriously? Oh, okay, the way he throws the black cursors are very fast. Makes me think the Chosen One difficulty will be much more intense. But I don't care about the consequences. It's not suicide. It's ultimate challenge. I may not be as daring as all other YouTubers, but I'm willing to do this for the fans. I'm willing to do this ultimate challenge. Punch out Cthulhu. And Cthulhu in question is the Chosen One. Also, he is firing missiles, and I hate it. I hate that. Ouch! I hate that. Could you get away from me? No! Of course. How brilliant. He used my A as an arrow. Not an arrow, a bow. Also, it's really convenient that these markers are able to protect me from missiles. I should use that to cover myself. Yep, it's much faster! It's much faster! No! You wanna clap my cheeks, boy? You dare to clap my cheeks? Hey, how about this? Haha, I'm playing dirty. How you like that, huh? That's your weakness. Fighting a foe who's cheating. Blah, 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 blah. How'd you like that, huh? How'd you like that? Huh? Okay, maybe I'm talking too much. Whatever, it was fun and worth it.